What's up, YouTube? What's up? This your boy Danny J, aka Danny Zoe, aka Haitian Jordan. You know what it is, man. I just got my Macbook Air. You know what I'm saying? You know why I bought this computer, man? For video editing. You know, my YouTube videos. You know what I'm saying? That's why I bought this computer, man. You feel me? I'm an Apple lover now. I am an Apple lover now. If you didn't know, now you know. I love my computer, man. And that's why I bought it, man. I bought it, for video editing. My Windows computer has been, it's been acting up. Slow. So slow. I'm telling you, man. So I had to switch. I had to switch to the new MacBook, the new MacBook Air. You know what I'm saying? I love this computer, man. It's so fast, Just a minute, guys. Actually, if you love this video, man, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, man. Make a comment, man. You know what I'm saying? Just a minute. I'm gonna show you. I'll edit my videos, man. On Final Cut Pro, the new one, man. The new one, bueno, baby. Let's get into it. All right. As you can see, it's 13 inches. And he has 128 gig of storage and 8 gig of memory. I'm loving it so far. Box it, you know what I'm saying? I fell in love with MacBook, man. Fell in love with Apple computers now, man. No more Windows, man. You know what I'm saying? No more Windows computer. I'm gonna show you, all my videos, man. Where Final Cut at, man? Final Cut, baby. Where you at? Where you at, Final Cut? Right here. As you can see, Final Cut right there. You won't take that long, man. You won't take that long to upload. See? Right quick. Final Cut X, baby. Everything brand new. I'm telling you, man. If you love this video, man, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, man. Say something about the video, feel me? I got a lot more videos on the way. See, I was editing a new video right there. You feel me? I got a lot of videos on the way, so go ahead and subscribe, man. Help your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Bow. I love you all. See you on the next video. Bye.